Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be talk about top 10 Bollywood record breaking movies in 2020, 21 and 2022. Number 10, Chehre, 2021. During a snowstorm, Sameer meets Buller, who asks him to wait at his friend Acharya's house. Sameer is made comfortable over drinks. He finds that they all are waiting for their friend Latif Zaidi, and all are retired professionals from field of law, while another friend, Haria, is also with them. After Latif arrives, they tell him that whenever a guest arrives, they decide to play a game where the guest is the accused, while Acharya the judge, Buller defense lawyer, and Latif public prosecutor. Sameer agrees to play the game but rebels. He will walk free as he has never committed a crime. As the story unfolds, Latif proves many allegations against Sameer, but Buller defends him not guilty. Latif does not let it go easily, as his examination with accused has never gone wrong. Number 9, Paglet, 2021. Sandhya is left a very young widow after her husband Astik passes away a few months after their wedding. His parents are depressed as he was their financial support. The extended Giri family gathers in the house for mourning for 13 days, but Sandhya seems much less affected, and the family is puzzled by how active she is on social media. When her best friend Nazia arrives, she tells her that Astik was seeing another woman. Then everyone finds out that Astik has left a 50 lakh insurance policy behind for Sandhya, while the extended family members try to convince her father-in-law Shivindra to transfer the policy to his name to clear his debts. Number 8, Ib Aleu. A young migrant battles hordes of monkeys in the heart of New Delhi as a contractual monkey repeller, a newly created government job to tackle the monkeys, who have been further emboldened for the recent ban on the use of captive langurs, their natural enemy. Number 7, Chandigarh Kare Ashki. Manu, a bodybuilder from Chandigarh, India, falls in love with Manvi, a Zumba teacher. All seems well until a revelation causes turmoil in their love story. Number 6, Ram Prasad Ki Tervi, 2019. Bauji's entire family comes under one roof for 13 days after he passes away. We get a glimpse of their dynamics, politics and insecurities as each one of them is on their journey to discover their own selves and truth. Number 5, Suryavanshi, 2021. 1993. Mumbai as rocked by 14 back-to-back blasts which changed the image of city forever. Kabir Shroff managed to solve the case within 2 days but feels guilty that mastermind Umar Hafiz and Bilal eloped from the city. Umar Hafiz over the years planted many attacks in the country and formed a sleeper cell network led by his son Riaz Hafiz. Years later, Riaz's fake identity is traced in Jaisalmer, where a team led by DCP Veer Suryavanshi goes to arrest him. With arrest of Riaz, underworld gets shaken and Umar asks Bilal to return to India. Suryavanshi finds from Kabir that in 1993, 1000-ton RDX came in the city, out which 400-ton RDX was used and 600-ton still lies nowhere, and only person who has the idea of this is Bilal. Surya is going to a touch patch in his personal life as his duty comes first. He is very much close to arrest Bilal, who commits suicide. Surya finds that Bilal was in the country after years and also traced missing RDX and met old friend Usmani. Surya gets a hint that some big attack is going to happen in Mumbai city with activities of Bilal, where sleeper cells will be active in order to save the city. Two other tough cops, Bajirao Singham and Sangram Balli Rao, Simba, joined Surya in the mission. Number 4, Dhamaka, 2021. Arjun Pathak, once a prime-time news anchor for TRTV, got demoted from his position due to unacceptable reasons and now works as an RJ for the same channel for current affairs. Arjun, while off air, gets a call from Raghubir Matha stating that he will blow the C-Link, but he takes it as a joke and asks him to go ahead, and next moment the C-Link is blown, killing innocent lives. Arjun Arjun does not report about Raghuveer to the cops but keeps a demand in front of his boss Ankita Malaskar that he will have to be given his primetime seat back if she wants to air the prime news on her channel. Ankita, who is more concerned about her channel ratings, strikes deal, but Arjun will have to show the news what she wants. Arjun covers the news with Raghuveer, demands that the chief minister should come to his studio and say sorry to him during his live telecast, or else there will be more destruction. But Ankita's only priority is to check her TRP ratings, where Raghuveer causes more destruction, where Arjun loses his wife Soumya as well as causes trouble for himself. Number 3. Haseen Dilruba, 2021. Under investigation as a suspect in her husband's murder, a wife reveals details of their thorny marriage that seem to only further blur the truth. Number 2. Sardar Udham, 2021. Indian revolutionary Udham Singh, who is better known for the assassination of Michael O'Dwyer in London, who was behind the Jallianwala Bagh massacre on April 13, 1919. The story sets out how Udham Singh survived the massacre on day of Baisakhi, which killed around 400 people and injured around 1,000, and avenged those who died. Number 1. 83, 2021. March 1983. Indian cricket team gets selected for the third World Cup to be held in England in June, but none have their expectations from the team, while officials aren't happy with appointment of new captain Kapil Dev over Sunil Gavaskar. Indian cricket team starts with a bang at the World Cup by winning their first 2 matches against giant West Indies and Zimbabwe, but losing their next 2 matches against West Indies and Australia puts them in a do or die situation against Zimbabwe to stay in the tournament. During the big match against Zimbabwe, half of the team is back to the pavilion much before the 10 overs with the score as 17 runs for 5 wickets. Kapil Dev plays a one-man show by getting good winning score for the team and keeping their hopes alive in the tournament. Further, the team spirit brings them to the final at Lords against the 2-time world champions giant West Indies. The team, which was not considered worthy by everyone, creates history only due to confidence of one man Kapil Dev.